Hello, garden enthusiasts. Welcome to Around the House. Please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 easy-to-plant flowers that will brighten your garden this spring and summer. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these blooms are sure to bring a splash of color and joy to your outdoor spaces. From the cheerful hues of marigolds to the towering grace of sunflowers, we'll explore a diverse array of flowers that thrive with minimal effort. So let's embark on this floral journey and discover the perfect additions for your garden. The marigold, a radiant emblem of sunshine, is a perfect choice for novice gardeners. Its vibrant yellows, oranges, and reds, akin to a painter's palette, effortlessly inject life into any garden. These resilient blooms are remarkably low maintenance, tolerating a variety of soil types and requiring minimal watering. Standing tall and proud, sunflowers are a testament to nature's grandeur. These majestic blooms, with their golden faces, follow the sun's journey across the sky. They are remarkably adaptable, thriving in a range of climates and soil conditions. The morning glory, with its heart-shaped leaves and trumpet-like flowers, is a spectacle of rapid growth. These climbers, like nature's artists, quickly weave a tapestry of blooms across trellises and fences. Their vibrant blues, purples, and pinks add a touch of whimsy to any garden. Lavender, with its delicate purple blooms and intoxicating fragrance, is a sensory delight. These elegant flowers are not only visually appealing, but also attract a myriad of pollinators like bees and butterflies. The gentle hum of these insects amidst the lavender creates a symphony of nature's harmony. Zinnias, with their cheerful daisy-like blooms, are a burst of color in the summer sun. These resilient flowers are drought-tolerant, making them ideal for sunny spots in your garden. Their vibrant hues, ranging from fiery reds and oranges to delicate pinks and yellows, create a kaleidoscope of color. As we conclude our exploration of these easy-to-plant flowers, I encourage you to add these beautiful and easy-to-grow flowers to your garden this season. Witnessing their growth and vibrant colors is a rewarding experience that connects us with the wonders of nature. From the cheerful simplicity of marigolds to the towering grace of sunflowers, these blooms are sure to bring joy to your outdoor spaces. Happy gardening, and see you next time!